Get it, sis. Don't hesitate, because it's going to be sold out. As soon as I put this up, I promise you, it's going to be sold out. Hi guys, so in today's video is going to be another Shein haul. Thank you to Shein for collabing with me on this video. Please use my code ShakiraSphere please use my code ShakiraSphere for 15% off. So let's get into it. This first dress that you guys see me in is absolutely gorgeous. I have a dress similar to this in white, except I have it in a both puff sleeve, and it's from a different brand. But this is way more affordable, and you get the same look for a lot less. And I love the color. The color is definitely screaming fall. And the reason why I got two dresses for fall is because you can dress these up. You can do these with heels, or you can do them with thigh-high boots and stockings. You can do these with thigh-high boots and stockings and still be fine and be warm. And also the fall time is when a lot of people have weddings. So I think this would be a perfect wedding dress. Or if it's the Thanksgiving is coming up and you want to wear something to your significant other's family gathering, I feel like this is perfect also, which is why I got it. I feel like this is perfect for brunch with the girls. This is perfect for a evening date with hubby. This is just an amazing all-around dress, and I love the length. I love the fact that it's not too short. It doesn't pass the bend test, but it's not too short, and if I walk, I know my butt won't be out. And I got this in an extra large because this does not have any stretch at all. So I made sure I got it in an extra large because my hips are wide. So 38D for boobs, waist is 33. Hips are 45, and I'm 5'6", and I weigh 180. So I didn't want to try and say, especially with this type of material that doesn't have any stretch, so I got an extra large, and I'm very happy I did, because if I got a large, it would have been too short in the back, and I wouldn't have been able to wear it unless I'm going to be wearing like tights underneath it or something. So this is the first item. And I'm gonna make sure I actually style these items. So I'm gonna show you like 2 video of how I would style it. You can style it with a nice strappy heel in gold. I feel like gold would go great with this, and it would look absolutely amazing. And you can also wear this with high boots and a nice bag, and this would look absolutely amazing also. So this is the next dress. I feel like this is perfect for a fall wedding also. You know, the girls love a good fall wedding. I love the color. The green color looks absolutely amazing against my tan skin tone. And I love how it flows, and I love how long it is. And as you guys can see from the last one, excuse my underwear. From the last one, you guys see I love a good side cutout, because I've been working my butt off in the gym. Okay, so the way I would style this, you could probably put on a simple heel with this, or you can spruce it up, especially if you're not comfortable with the cutout. And TMI, I'm on my period, so I have on period underwear. So do something like this. Cover it out. Like a nice heel. I would definitely say I would go with the gold accessories because this blazer have gold detailing on it. It's a orange blazer and it comes with gold detailing. So they have gold, all the buttons on here is gold, and I feel like it's super duper amazing that it's actually gold. I feel like if the buttons weren't gold, it wouldn't have looked so good. And also this is a nice quality. It's heavy but not too heavy. I love the color orange. It is, as you guys know, I've been feeling orange lately, and all I did was just tuck my same dress and turn it into a skirt, and this is how it looks. I feel like blazers or just suits in general are going to be super big for fall winter, and this is amazing. This is an amazing quality blazer. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And I love the split in the back detail. So that means if you have a bigger bum, the split in the back is not going to constrict your hips or your butt or anything like that. I feel like this would be amazing for like if you're working and you have a work function to go to, or if you just want to throw this over one of your outfits because it's kind of cold. This is it. I love it. It's nice. And these are the gold details. It's really good. And it fits great. And also the fit is amazing. I got it in a large, so I can wear it as a top like this with a nice bra, or I could possibly open it and just wear it over my shoulders or open, and it will still look nice. The hand portion is long, so I like that a lot. I don't like when my blazers are too short on my hands, and I kind of have semi-long limbs, so long hands, long legs, and a short torso, and this fits A1. This is the next item. I just have some shorts underneath it, and it has some cutouts at the side, which I like a lot. I love the color, and it has some pearl detailing on the side. This have been on my wish list from last year. When I put it on my wish list, it was sold out. I now see why it was sold out. I got this in a large. It's giving. Okay, I think this may be, let me not say my favorite because I love the other orange blazer, but this is amazing. Love. It's worth every penny. Snatch it up, sis. And the thing that I like about this is, again, if you're going to Thanksgiving dinner and if you're pregnant or you want to hide that food baby, this is gonna be amazing. Amazing. Okay, if you have like a work function, work party, sick. Okay, put on some nice dress pants with this. You sell off. Okay, nobody can talk to you. And I also love this because you can wear this in different ways. So I can unbutton this at the sides, and then I'll just have a regular jacket with a cutout at the sides, which I like a lot. Or I could get it, I could tie it, and this could possibly be another look. I'll have to tie it twice for it to look acceptable. So hide that, make it a little, I would have to tie this really tight because this is big, but, and this could possibly be another look. I love it. Get it, sis. Don't hesitate because it's going to be sold out. As soon as I put this up, I promise you, it's going to be sold out. And the large fit amazing. It fit just right. I will say if you're bigger than I am, if they have a bigger size, get it. Because this is probably going to be too tight. It's a little bit constricting, but because I love it so much, I don't mind. And I love where it reaches on my hand, not too short. Also, there's another suit. This is a black suit. You know this wouldn't be a haul if I didn't have something black in it. It comes with the jacket and pants, and I like it. I will say this is a more lighter jacket. So if you live in a warm climate like Florida and you just want something to wear because you probably will be cold, this will be perfect for you. And if you're somebody that overheats easily, this is perfect. And like I said, I got a lot of blazers and stuff like this because I feel like it's what's going to be trending for fall and winter, and I love it. I also got this in a large. I was kind of worried about the large because I was like, I should have gotten the extra large because the large is not going to fit, but I'm happy I got it in a large. It actually fits perfect. The pants hit right above my ankle, so I could definitely wear heels with these and it will look absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is the next fit. And you can possibly put a bodysuit underneath this and definitely wear it to work. It's giving work. So this is the last and final look. I also got these thigh-high, not thigh-high, these are actually calf-high boots, and I use this in a lot of outfits to show you guys how versatile a calf-high boot is. I have a size 9. I have wide feet. I got these in a 10 and they fit amazingly, and they actually fit my calf. I was worried about it not fitting my thick calves, but they do fit. And it comes in this like kind of snake print off-white color, and I absolutely love it. It looks great. This is the final pieces, and I've also had this top on my wish list from last year. I love the zebra print, and then I got some jean skirts. So I was super worried about these jean skirts, and I got these in an extra large. I should have definitely stick to my original size and got a large because these are a little bit big, but I absolutely love how it looks. You can wear it to the side like this with a thigh out, or you could possibly wear it in the middle like this. So I like that. This with some thigh-high boots for fall is going to look absolutely amazing. I could possibly throw on this black blazer right here. And the outfit would be completed. So this is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. And tell me which piece is your favorite, or which outfit is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.